Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'll show you how to attach these pearls on this wedding veil. I will be attaching these 5mm pearl beads on this plain veil. To attach these beads I'll be using this pearl setting machine, which looks like that. And this pearl setting machine has 6 size nozzles. As you can see here, I have received 6 sizes and these nozzles screw on there. And 6 sizes of these pearls: 4mm, 5mm, 6mm, 8mm, 10mm and 12mm. So these nozzles match the pearl sizes. Also, it comes with these rivets. As you can see, these are metal rivets with the spikes and these rivets go there. On today's tutorial, I'll be setting these 5mm pearls on the tulle fabric using this 5mm nozzle, which looks like that. I'm placing the rest of the pearls and nozzle sizes back in a box so I don't lose them. First, I'll attach this 5mm nozzle onto my pearl setting machine. So this is the 5mm nozzle, looks like that. So this is the screw-on side and this is a soft plastic cup side where the pearl goes. First I will screw on this nozzle there onto my setting machine like that, making sure it's screwed on properly, and it looks like that. And now I will show you how to attach this pearl on a sample tulle fabric. First I'll attach this metal rivet on a pearl setting machine. I'm using tweezers to pick up the metal rivet and this rivet looks like that. I'm placing this rivet there so the spiky prongs face up. As you can see, there are 4 spiky prongs there. Next I'll attach this 5mm pearl inside in the nozzle. So I'm inserting this pearl inside this 5mm nozzle there. I'm placing this tulle fabric in between the rivet and a pearl. As you can see there, placing my finger on this tulle top there, pressing it down, and with these fingers I'm pressing the handle up and squeezing that pearl onto the tulle, gently removing the pearl from the nozzle, and my first pearl is attached on this tulle fabric and it looks like that. As you can see, metal rivet and a pearl are attached to the tulle fabric very securely. And now I'll show you how I attach pearls on this wedding veil. Very important is to understand which is the right side of this veil. So this comb will go on bride's head like that. So this is the wrong side of the veil. And this is the right side of the veil. So this comb will go on a hair like that. This is the right side. And inside on the other side is the wrong side where the rivets will go. I'm placing rivets into my setting machine and a pearl into the nozzle. So this is the right side of the veil, placing the wedding veil tulle in between rivet and pearl, and I'm setting that pearl on veil, gently removing the pearl, and my first pearl is attached onto the veil. Looks like that. So this is the wrong side and this is the right side. I will show you another close-up. I'm inserting this metal rivet inside so the prongs are facing up, a pearl into the nozzle there, placing a tulle fabric in between, pressing tulle top down, squeezing the handle and attaching that pearl into the tulle, gently removing the pearl. And here's the second pearl attached and it looks like that. And I will repeat same process till wedding veil is completely covered with pearls. Gently removing pearl from the nozzle. Very important tip is not to pull tulle fabric like that, otherwise you can tear the tulle fabric. Instead, gently remove this pearl from setting nozzle there. And as you can see, this pearl is attached perfectly. Here are step-by-step instructions how to use pearl setting machine. And here's my finished wedding veil. As you can see, I have attached pearls all over this veil and it looks like that. If you have any questions how I attached pearls on this wedding veil, please comment down below in a comment box. I will add all materials which I used on this tutorial in description box. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was useful. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.